5:31 right now. High winds causing problems all around the area. You are probably still hearing those winds outside your home right now.
Yeah, trees are down and power's out for some. ABC 2 News' Brendan McNamara joins us from Fed Hill this morning. Brendan, what does it feel like out there?
Well, anybody who's been to Fed Hill knows how windy it can get up here, and it's very windy right now. The big American flag here has been flapping so hard that sometimes it looks like it's just being pulled tight, almost just like it's not even moving at all. There are crews that are out there are making some progress on power outages. There were thousands overnight, and there still are thousands, but fewer thousand. We're under 2,600 now in our area. Baltimore County now down to 830 power outages. At one time, that was 6,000 overnight. Carroll County's under 700, Howard under 400, and a handful in Anne Arundel County, Harford, and Baltimore City as well right now. And when you're going out this morning, you really want to watch for those downed wires, which are causing a lot of those power outages, because that could still change throughout the morning because of how windy it still is right now. So look for that number to fluctuate throughout the morning, and never try to pick up or touch a downed wire. BGE says you should assume that it is a live wire, and you should report that wire and that outage, any outages you do see, right away, so they can get out there and try to fix that, because it is still very windy out here this morning and still pretty dangerous. Guys, back to you.